Alright, this trick tip is going to be for how to walk a cow. It's a really weird name for a trick, but it's kind of like a walk the dog. It's just a more awkward variation, and I get asked about it a lot. So, a walk the cow is this. That was one. And in order to, I guess the best way to break down this trick is first to explain what the trick is, and then I'll talk about what prerequisites might help for being able to do this trick, and then I could show you how it's done. I think that was redundant, but we're going with it. So the trick is when you stand on your board, I'm regular, I have my left foot forward. You take your back foot and you step over your front foot, and then you pivot the board around 180 degrees. I'm gonna go through that a little bit slower now because it probably still looks really confusing if you haven't seen this before. So, you start with your front foot in the middle of the board, pointing parallel with the board, and your back foot is sort of perpendicular to the board on the tail. Next, you take your back foot and cross it over the front of your front foot, and you're going to plant it perpendicular to the board still. Now you're in a pigeon-toed stance that's kind of uncomfortable, and what you're going to do, I'm going to take my foot off and put it on the ground because I can't really do this slowly, properly. You take your front foot, which is now your back foot, and step it forward. As you're stepping it forward, you take your back foot and twist the board 180 degrees, and then step with your front foot back on the board. So again, that looks like this. Before you attempt this trick, a really helpful trick to learn first is a walk the dog. So a walk the dog, I've got some videos already about how to do this. A walk the dog, you have a similar starting stance, except you turn your whole body when you bring your back foot up, and then twist that direction. So this is a walk the dog, and then walk the cow. And it's a really awkward trick, so I recommend doing it really slowly at first. Really work on doing it slow and smooth. Work on getting it smooth. Don't try and connect a bunch at once. Doing this really fast without doing it smooth doesn't really look that good, and it's not great form, and it kind of throws you off balance. Mine were not super clean that I was showing you just now. I'm going to try and do some cleaner ones in a minute when I'm moving. And some key tips to keep in mind when you're doing this, some like troubleshooting advice, is going to be, for one, make sure your front foot, the ball of your front foot is in the middle of the board. I often see people trying this with their front foot either too high up or too far down, and that makes the turnaround a little bit more awkward. Your feet position is also really important, and where you put your back foot when you step it to the front of the board. So when you step your back foot to the front of the board, for me, I like to put mine right over the bolts. This might be different for you, but this is one of the hardest things I think to figure out doing this trick, because if you're too far forward, I'll just do one that's too far forward. You kind of hit the nose and you can't get it around, and if you're too far back, you won't be able to actually pivot the board. So finding that sweet spot is really key. Also, I recommend trying it slowly. I've just been doing it standing still, but it's a little bit easier to try it rolling very slowly. out because I don't think that much when I'm doing this trick, and so I'm just kind of realizing things as I'm doing it. Make sure you kind of keep a straight back. Don't be hunched over. Keep your weight centered over the board. Don't trip over yourself like that. As far as your setup goes, it doesn't matter too much. I've seen longboard dancers doing this on really big boards and freestylers doing this on really short boards. And truck tightness doesn't really matter too much. Your wheels, I really can't think of anything that is like a board hack to help this trick. Maybe having a wider board or just a properly sized board. A longboard is going to be a little bit harder because you have to step like way far forward. So if you can learn on a shorter board, I think that would be helpful, but you definitely don't need to. I think that's all the tips I have for you. So I'm gonna show you now how to tie this into some lines, like where you might actually do a walk the cow, because it's super random just to like do by itself. So I'll show you a couple combos that incorporate walk the cow. Those were some examples of walk the cows, and I think that's it. So get out there, try to walk the cow, take it slow, and really be mindful of your entire body as you're doing the trick, what your arms are doing. Make sure your posture is proper, and keep your arms out to help you with balancing when you're starting it out. If there is anything that you think I missed, or anything you'd like to add, or even something that I did say that you think really helped you, please put those in the comments so that it will help somebody else as well. And I think that is it. So thank you for watching. Thank you for over 2,000 subscribers now. Really appreciate that, and you can also let me know in the comments what else you'd like to see. I know I've got a variety of stuff I do on this channel, so let me know what you want to see more of, or just no feedback and I'll just keep doing this random stuff that I do. Thank you. That's it.